Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's start with your reading now. And for those whose sun sign doesn't resonate sometimes, so you can check my other videos for your moon sign, your rising, and your Venus sign. Sometimes that also resonates, so you can check all your signs. Alright, so let's start with your energies, with your reading now. For my Virgos, what do we have? So I'll be looking at your past energies, present and future energies, and then I will take some cards from the universe and we'll see what advice do you have for that. Alright, so let's go. At the back of the deck, it's the Lovers. Might be dealing with a Gemini over here, but it is more of an energy where you are thinking about someone over here, but you are confused. Okay, so might be a past life, past relationship or new relationship, but it's an old person I'm seeing for many of you in your present over here, but still there's some kind of confusion. Alright, so your past energies are Two of Swords, Five of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles. There was someone who destroyed a family. Something happened to a happy family. Something, might be a betrayal, might be some kind of an argument which led to fight, and a lot of fight basically, which actually which either you or them, it actually made someone in a point where somebody had to think like, what should I do now, what should I do? Alright, so your present energies are Two of Rods, King of Rods, and Six of Cups. So there is a thing in your life right now that you have somebody you like as well, plus something else in your life. So there are two situations and you have to decide which way to go. If I will go this way, something like this will happen. If I'll go that way, so you have reasons for both, so you have reasons for both of the ways to why not to go to this place and why not to go to this place. You have the reasons. Your future energies are the World, Five of Cups, and Death. So I'm seeing that something is coming to an end because the process is over. Circle, this life cycle, whatever cycle is this, that karmic cycle for some of you, it is coming to an end. But it will bring some kind of sadness as well. Let's see whether it's in your part or some other person's part. Alright, so let's clarify the cards now. Let's see what is the Lovers in the overall energy. Why is the Lovers over here? I'm also seeing that some kind of agreement, some kind of a choice. Knight of Wands we have. What else? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so for some of you it is a new stable bonding which you are seeing on for some of you only. This is a message. You are moving towards something which is looking very passionate to you. You are, this might be a new love affair or some kind of new lifestyle, and you are actually getting attracted towards this, and you are moving really fast towards it because you are feeling that this is the person you love. But the main problem with this Knight of Rods is they do not stay at any place. They just love to move on, sometimes here, sometimes there. They don't stay. Let's see, why is this Knight of Wands, why the Knight of Wands is here? Five of Pentacles. Okay, so For some of you, it is more of a situation where, somebody will start feeling like, okay, so this person might leave you. You have that fear, I'd see, that this person might leave you or something like that, but it is looking really stable to you. You are loving this offer of love, loving this stable offer. Let's see, why is this Two of Swords in your past energies? Why is it Two of Swords over here? Why the Two of Swords is here? The Sun, alright. With the Three of Wands. What else? The Empress. Alright, so we have the Sun, Three of Wands, and the Empress over here. So it is a very good energy, well, because with this, it is a relationship between a mother and a child. I don't know why I'm feeling like that, but it is more like that relationship, that bonding, that you have to wait for a decision. You were waiting for a decision, and whenever, whatever happens for good. That kind of a decision. You were waiting from a long time because you always wanted that, the one who deserves, he or she should be the winner. Let's see, why is this Five of Swords here? Why is this Five of Swords here? Five of Wands and King of Cups. See, a lot of arguments, a lot of fights are here. Might be a family issue, but this is a fight. It can be between two lovers as well, because of some other people getting involved in this. So I'm seeing that it is not just a fight between two people, it is more about many people involving in this situation. Let's see this Ten of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. See, whatever the situation was, this is some other condition. For some of you, this is something else, but it is more of a situation where you are just holding on to your family because you love your family. You cannot leave your family as well, you cannot leave your love relationship as well. So it is a very, it is something where you were pure. Whosoever this person is in this situation, because there are two situations over here, because two people are involved. Actually, it was a problem between two people, but it was more about people coming up in your life in between you, and they are actually getting involved in a relationship. So that is why people are getting separated over here. I'm seeing that it was not just because love was there, it was love. Alright, so let's see what is this Two of Wands. Why the Two of Wands here in the present situation? King of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. So yes, if you are confused in a situation, but I don't see that this confusion will last for long, because I'm seeing that you are working on towards the fruition. You are working for this thing to happen, whatever the situation is. If it's the love situation as well, you are working for this thing, because you are not letting go of some things, because it was you were always happy, you always gave your best, you were the empress, that is what you have given to your family, to your relationships, towards everything, and you are not letting go. You are working on towards that thing. Let's see, why is this King of Rods in the present energies? Why is the King of Rods here? The Lovers. See, love is there. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, love with the stability. You are working for that. You are the passionate one. Let's see, why is the Six of Cups over here? Six of Wands with the Seven of Wands. So you are, you are coming up at, this is an energy where you know that you are right and you are still fighting for something like that, you are right, you are coming victorious, people are acknowledging you that yes, you are right, people are giving you attention, but still you have to fight for that thing, to prove it basically. So this is something, where in a relationship also, the other person knows that this person loves me a lot, but still you have to prove it. For every point you have to prove, you have to take a stand of yourself, you have to prove it, you have to fight for yourself again and again. That is what is happening. You are working, you are the one who is giving you 100%, you are fixing the issues in your problems, you are just working like day and night towards everything, towards your relationship, towards your work, everything. You are working, you are the one who is giving you 100%, and you have to prove it finally again. That is what is happening. The love from your side is commendable. Let's see why the world is here. Why the world is here. King of Wands again. See, King of Wands, that energy of full of passion. But some things are you really need to let go of some things, because with the 5 of Cups you are just looking at the 3 cups, which are split, not the ones which are here. They are still standing up. So the world, this process is there. Whatever is happening in your life right now, this is the process to tell you that look towards the positives, be optimistic in nature, because you have got the 5 of Cups in your future energies. Just looking towards the negative side. No, stop doing that. This is a lesson to be learned. This is a strong message to you, Virgos. Let's see why the Death is here in your future energies. Why the Death is here. Ace of Cups and 8 of Cups. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are ending the things, whatever is involved, and you are leaving someone for something. You are leaving for a new relationship, new situation. Finally, when you will actually learn these lessons of your life, everything will change. Your life will change. So let's see what is the universe messages now. Let's see what advice does the universe wants to give to you. Advice for my Virgos, please. What advice do the universe wants to give to my Virgos? Advice for my Virgos, please. 2 of Cups, Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups. All right, so I'm seeing that you are in a place where, see, this is the 2 of Cups, the Queen of Cups. So the advice is that if love is there, but for sometimes when love is there, you give your 100% towards the situation, but sometimes you have to become the Queen of Swords, the queen which who doesn't listen to anyone's bullshit. Basically, this queen is more of a queen who just when something is not right, she just within fraction of seconds she just gets to know that you are just talking bullshit. I am not going to entertain you. This is that queen. She has gone through a lot of pain, she knows that, but she has love as well. Because with the Queen of Cups, a lot of love is there. So the universe is also telling you that sometimes you have to take a stand for yourself, and that is what you are doing. This is your lessons learned. All right, so for my Virgos, that's all from my side, and I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.